Oh, this one's a good one, Jen. Don't want to break it.
No, you don't want to break it. Because I'm going to tell my mommy that you break everything.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to be making hot chocolate bombs. These are perfect for the holiday season, perfect to do with your loved ones. If you have little ones, this is a great way to get them involved in the kitchen and keep them occupied. I'm just giving you a quick overview of the things that I need. You can get really creative with these and do them however you like. Grab all the things you would like to put in your hot chocolate, mainly getting some melting wafers. Regular chocolate chips do not melt the same, so invest in some melting wafers and you're ready to get started. First things first, you want to melt your wafers. Grab a double boiler and just have a little bit of water in a pot and a large bowl on top. You don't want that water to boil, you just want it to be on a low simmer and wait for your wafers to melt. This is a perfect time to have your little ones involved, have them help you stir everything and watch it melt together. Or if you're not too keen on having your kids messing with the stove, you can just have them stand nearby. We did a little bit of both. This is my goddaughter Genesis. She got a little camera shy on me, so you'll just see some clips of her and I just talking and making our bombs together. But yeah, this was really fun. She enjoyed it and she actually enjoyed the hot chocolate, as you will see in the end. Once your chocolate is melted and looks something like this, you want to go ahead and start adding it to your mold. An easier way would be pouring it into a measuring cup and just pouring it into the mold, and then using a spoon to smooth out the sides. But once you're done adding your chocolate to your mold and smoothing out your sides, go ahead and stick it in the fridge so that it can harden. Okay, so here is where I tried to start having a little bit of fun with it. I started by melting some white chocolate, and then I poured some of that melted chocolate I already had into a Ziploc bag and created sort of like a piping bag for myself just by cutting off the tip of that Ziploc bag and started making a design in my mold. So I tried to be proactive and stick this swirly design into the refrigerator to harden, not thinking about the fact that the white chocolate would melt the milk chocolate once I started adding it to the mold. I wanted the design to kind of stay, but it ended up just turning into a marble style effect. So pro tip, if you want to have this little swirly design on the top of your molds, just wait until they harden and do it after the fact, which you'll see me do again later. But if you want to have a marble-like effect, this is one way you can do it, or you can just mix the two together. So once your chocolate has hardened, it is time to take them out of the mold. This part you want to be a little bit patient with because they can crack and break. As you'll see, some of mine are pretty jagged around the edges, which is fine. You know, this wasn't meant to be anything super perfect. This was just something fun to do. I am a personal chocolate lover, so this was right up my alley, and I had a lot of fun making them. So just give yourself some grace and remember to have fun with it.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Why not?
I don't think so. You did a good job. I don't think so.
Why didn't I do a good job?
Because you didn't win.
What am I supposed to win?
Once you get all of your molds out, it's time to start filling them with all the things you love. Here, Genesis is just adding some hot chocolate mix into each bomb, and then we're going to start adding other things. Marshmallows, glitter, crushed up candy canes. You can do whatever you like in here. You can add candies, you can add colorful marshmallows. You can do it any way you like. This is the part to have fun and get the kids involved and have them get their hands dirty.
Now, do you want to put marshmallows or do you want to do sprinkles?
I want sprinkles.
Okay, which color sprinkle do you want?
I want green.
Green? Okay, let's get some green. Just use your finger and get it. And put it in the cup. Ooh, okay, let's use a spoon. You get some more. Green. What other color do you want to do? What do you want to do in this one?
I want to do red now.
Red now? Okay, let's do red.
Once you are done filling your cups, you are going to close up your bomb. Now you can do this a couple of different ways. I chose to microwave a plate and use that to melt the edge of one half of my bomb, and that melted chocolate acts as a sealant to seal everything so you have one giant chocolate bomb. Now as you see, no perfection. Clearly I have a couple of broken spots, but you get the picture. This part was genuinely the hardest because you have to work fast, and if you have a couple of jagged edges like I do, obviously you will have a few holes in your bombs, but that's okay. So just keep on melting your edges and keep adding them to close up your bombs until you are completely done. If you have not gone to Target in their holiday section, you should definitely take a trip there. I found these cute little candy canes to stick on my bombs there. They were about $2, so fairly inexpensive. They have a variety of things to do with baking, chocolates, and hot chocolate stations, and all kinds of things. So I just took a little dollop of chocolate and stuck it on top of one of the bombs, and then just stuck the candy cane on top of that. And then I just added some extra chocolate on top and added glitter and crushed candy canes and all kinds of things. Like I said, you can get really creative with this and do it however you like. Once you're done making your bombs, you want to add it to a mug and pour over some warm milk of your choice and watch your bomb explode and enjoy a cup of hot chocolate. You guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love on your loved ones extra hard this holiday season. If you enjoyed this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below on what you think. Share this video with someone you love, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Cheers.